guys, Martha here. Welcome to my channel, Everything Martha. I hope everybody's having a good day so far. And today's video is all about my kitchen. My kitchen, we remodeled it 20 years ago and I just can't afford to redo my whole kitchen again. So I decided to do a little bit of remodeling with as little cost as possible. The cabinets that we have are called Therma Foil. They are really nice cabinets. The cabinets are in really good shape, and the doors though have like a vinyl or some kind of, they call it thermofoil material over the doors, which with time in the edges they started to peel off some, like they started to come off. And so I started to try to glue the little edges back, and that really wasn't coming out very nice. A couple of times I tried to use hot glue, which didn't work at all because it sort of melted the material. And this is the material that covered, I kept one of the drawer ones. So this is what it looks like. It looks like wood, and it's called Therma Foil. And it looked really nice, but like I said, they were starting to peel off and it was really annoying me. So just a couple weeks ago, I decided to see if they would come off easy. And so I did one of the doors and it came off really easy. And so now the material in the bottom is like a really light color. And so I said, uh-oh, I better go get some paint at the Home Depot. I went over there and I got some paint that was close to this color because, you know, I was just doing the doors, but the backing and what covered the edges of the material is something very close to this. So I wanted it to blend and match. So I went and I got a cabinet paint at the Home Depot, which was really close to this. And it was like $20 and change. So I came home and I painted that door. And I was so surprised. It looked really, really, really nice. It came out really nice. The wood paint got painted really well. And so I said, okay, I'm gonna keep going. So every day I would do 2 or 3 doors. And I never knew that I had that many cabinet doors until I started doing this. And so I have like 28 doors and like 15 drawers. So it took me a couple of weeks to just get it all done. Because like I said, I wasn't spending the whole day doing it. I was just doing like I said, a couple of doors a day. And I really liked the way it turned out. And I also decided to cover up some other areas of my kitchen, like the bottom. We have like a little area where you can sit to eat, and it's like for 3 chairs. And so the bottom of that cabinet, I went ahead and I covered it with this wallpaper that I bought at the Amazon. And it looks like distressed wood, and it's really nice. And I didn't even have to pay for this because I had points on my credit card, but it was not expensive. I got 4 rolls of this, and I covered the bottom of our sitting area where we eat, the counter area where we eat, with that, and some little shelves that we have in my kitchen. And I really like the way it turned out. And so I only ended up spending like 2 cans of paint, which was like with tax and everything, I spent like $50 in the whole remodeling of my kitchen, and a lot of work because you know you had to pull all those off, which they came off really easy. But I love the way it turned out, and so I thought I'd make a video of it. I did a little bit of footage on, you know, how I painted it and how I pulled off the thermofoil from the doors. And so I'm gonna go ahead and insert that. I'm gonna show you the process of how I took the foil off, the thermofoil, and how I painted the doors, and how I wallpapered some certain areas. And so I just thought if anybody had these kinds of cabinets that were having the same problem with it peeling off, that maybe you would, you know, like to watch this video and maybe you'd like to try it. I mean, I'm really happy with the way it turned out. And since I couldn't afford to redo my whole kitchen, I can live with this, and I think it's really pretty. So I wanted to share that with you. I want to thank you so much for watching my videos, and if you're not subscribed, I hope that you'll consider subscribing and hitting the little notification bell so you can be alerted whenever I upload a video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys. Mwah. So I have these cabinets that have like a paper, like I don't know what material. It's almost like plastic, or I don't know, but see, and they've been like falling off throughout the years, and I really can't afford to get new cabinets anyway, and the cabinets are good, in good shape inside. So I decided to pull off all those papers little by little. I'm gonna just do a couple a day, and I'll show you. I already did those. I'm painting them, and I like it so much. Just recording the next time I pull off one of the papers. I just finished painting these two doors right here, and when they dry, I'm gonna pull off another, and I'm really happy. It looks almost like, I don't know, it looks a lot better. See, I already did that one right there, and as you could see, they're falling off, see? And they've been driving me crazy. So I think I'm gonna be happy with the way this is gonna turn out. I'll keep going. Now I'm removing the knobs. Okay. And now you're gonna see how easily this paper just comes off. See that? And I'm gonna keep going. It feels so good to remove these vinyl coverings. Just gonna continue painting all the cabinets. And these are all the coverings that I've been taking off the cabinets. This is what I've painted so far. Four cabinets and drawers left. Last 4 doors and doors. And now I'm gonna get busy with the wallpaper. I love this wallpaper. It looks like wood planks. They're so distressed looking. I think it's beautiful. I got it at Amazon, and I'll have the information to the wallpaper and the paint that I used in the description. you can either use a credit card or this is my insurance card, and I'm just using it to smooth out any bubbles that I might have. Someday I can go ahead and change the tile. Okay, you guys, and I'm done. I'm finally done. What do you think? Do you like it? I really do like it, and I had so much fun doing it. I could not wait to remove those Therma Foil coverings from my kitchen cabinet doors, and it was a lot of fun. It was a lot of work, but I had a lot of fun doing it. And I only spent like under $100 to get all the things that I used. In the description below, I will make a note of the paint that I used and the wallpaper, and I also bought some little moldings at Home Depot that I used around the bottom of the counter, around the wallpaper, and that's it. So I think that this wallpaper looks so real, like wooden planks, and it gave my kitchen such a warm, welcoming look. And I just hope that this video will inspire you if giving a little makeover to your kitchen is something that you've been thinking about. And I want to thank you so much for watching. If you're new and you happen to stumble across this video, I hope that you will consider subscribing and joining my channel. So again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. And I'll leave you now with some extra pictures of my little kitchen makeover. Bye now. Take care. God bless.